Welcome to our video on tensile strength analysis. In this video, we're going to take a look at a problem that companies face in the manufacturing space, and how data analytics with Sparkflows can help. First, we will start by discussing the problem and a solution, and then we will take a look at a fully built example in Sparkflows. We have identified areas that can be improved using new data analytics solutions such as Sparkflows. Most importantly, we will be focusing on defining behavior patterns, cutting the costs of putting models into production, and improving visibility into business processes. Now that we have identified the issues we want to solve using data analytics, we need tools and a platform to build and execute. This is where Sparkflows enters the picture. Sparkflows gives users of all capabilities, from data engineers to business users, the ability to build what they need. For our specific case study, we will be focusing on tensile strength analysis. We want to create a model that will predict the tensile strength of an alloy based on its elemental makeup. This model can be used to improve the effectiveness of alloys for use in manufacturing, or by lowering material costs without compromising on strength or quality. It is important to be able to predict the properties of an alloy before creating the alloy physically. This saves on expensive manual testing and lab work. Our solution will be split into three parts. First, we will have a workflow covering our exploratory data analysis, where we will focus on understanding our data. Next, we will conduct data modeling, where we will build two different regression type models to predict the tensile strength of our alloys. And then additionally, we will have a video on reporting to make our work more accessible in the future. Thank you for listening.